Hi, this is Litre Toolbox Plus today with a 2023 Toyota 86 GR stock number 6117. This ran from 06 2022 to the current shape. It has an FA 24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-pedal mac transmission. This is the FA 24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.